Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to slim your face on Picsart. So if you want to make your face look slimmer you can do that on Picsart, and then I'm going to show you how. So just click on the plus icon and choose the photo that you want to edit, and then here at the editor page, just click on retouch option at the bottom, and then here click on face, and here you can just edit it as you like this, and then this part, the like that, and then this part, and this. Click on check, click on face fake, just like so, and then check again. You can also make your face smoother like this. Okay, click on check, and we're going to edit it again like this. Okay, you can see this part is changing like so. Okay, when you're done, just click on the check icon and then save your image to your gallery. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can make your face look slim on Picsart. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.